How to add gift receipt on Target app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can add gift receipt on Target app. In order to add a gift receipt on Target app, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now, first thing first, you have to log in. So it could either be an application or a web browser. Either way, the procedure is gonna remain the same. So go ahead and type in target.com, and that's going to directly take you to the official web page and log in into your Target account. Once logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and right on this page you need to first of all add the product to your cart. So once the product has already been added to your cart, tap on the cart icon and go ahead and proceed on to the checkout process. And once the product has already been added to your cart, go ahead and tap on continue to checkout, and then it's going to take you to the page where you need to go ahead and enter in the billing address and a payment source. So as per the gift card, you need to just go ahead and select pay with, and so right on this page you'll be able to find an option as gift message. So all you have to do is just go ahead and tap on add, and for that you need to go ahead and select the image of the receipt and then add a gift receipt on Target app. So in this way you can add gift receipt on Target app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.